Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Maisha. I know it's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, on video in general. Last time I talked to y'all, I was having a baby. I went and had that baby. It's a whole year and a half later. Well, just a year later, pretty much. And we're about to go do some thrifting. This is my first ever vlog. And I'm gonna go to the thrift store because I haven't been thrifting in a long time. And just kind of, you know, find some different kind of fashion for spring and everything. I have my friend Latrista with me.
Hey.
Howard day one. Hey. HU, and we're just gonna do a little bit of thrifting. So this is basically for the people who possibly haven't been thrifting or first time thrifters out there who just kind of want to get their feet wet into thrifting and see, you know, what's in thrift stores in general. So definitely stay tuned because we're about to have a lot of fun. Y'all, so we're gonna go to the first thrift store, which is called Buffalo Exchange. The idea is to just find affordable pieces, statement pieces, spring pieces, that type of thing, and just kind of like see what they have in here. I don't know if y'all ever heard of Buffalo Exchange, but there's one here in Dallas that I've been passing by and I've been wanting to like check out for the longest of time. Latrista said that she haven't went to Buffalo Exchange yet, so that'll be fun to just show y'all a different kind of thrift store. And I think the second one we're gonna do is Goodwill, that everybody knows about. So just kind of gives you two different type of thrift stores that you could possibly shop at if it's in your city. Look at this animal print in the window. So we already see like some fashion trends going on here and everything. So let's go in. Ooh, recycle this. I don't know why I was watching that. Excuse me. $24. That's cheap. Nice. It's not bad at all.
This is actually really
So we get like $24. We got like 18 here. Look at this little bag for only $12, y'all. So I feel like I'm getting like vintage vibes from up in here as well. Got like some little wallets here and there. But let me show you how it looks. Look at these. These are pretty cute, fashionable. Let me try them on.
I don't want to put them on my face.
I know.
That's why I was holding them like that.
Pretty cute. So we just found out that we could not film at Buffalo Exchange, unfortunately. We did find like some cute stuff while we were there, here and there, but we did feel like we saw purses that were like $40 that you would like find in Aldo for the exact same price. So it was just like, these aren't really thrift prices. These are kind of like, I don't know, like store prices, like regular store prices, you know. Yeah, we didn't get a chance to go all the way into the store. We only got to the front part until they came and like said, oh yeah, you know, we can't really thrift, I mean we can't really video in there. So we're just gonna go to Goodwill because I've seen other people, you know, shooting Goodwill and everything. So we're just gonna go in there. But I did get a little bit of B-roll and show y'all just kind of like some prices for the jewelry and everything. Like I said, nothing was really that cheap up in there. So if you want like thrift store prices, I suggest go to like an actual thrift store and we'll just see what we find in Goodwill real quick, okay? So Trista had the idea to go back in there and to just kind of ask if there were, you know, thrift store prices in the Buffalo Exchange, and we had a chance to talk to one of the girls, and she was telling us that no, she wouldn't even call it a thrift store, something closer to Plato's Closet, but they're better than Plato's Closet. That's what she said. And yeah, like as we went through there, we just saw like just prices that are still, you know, $20 a shirt, $25 a shirt, just not thrift store prices at all. The reason why I thought it was a thrift store is because it does say recycled clothing, and for me, if you're buying clothes from somebody, you know, or if they're donating clothes or something like that and you're selling them, then that's thrifting to me. But you know, for them, she said it's more so they buy it and they resell it at full price. So yeah, that's Buffalo Exchange. So we're headed into the Goodwill to see what they have up in here. When I think about thrift store prices, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that everything has to be dirt cheap, but you know, $5–10 range, things like that. So we'll just kind of see what they have in here. I think that my problem with the Buffalo Exchange was that you couldn't really tell what was new and what was used, and I just think that if you're gonna put a full price tag on something used, then that's kind of a problem. How you doing? So have you seen anything you like so far? See what I mean? $3.99 for handbags. And Buffalo Exchange, they were more so like $20. $5.99 for shoes. Got the shoes in here. We got some leather. We have some vinyl type shoes going on up in here. I love this whole black section. One thing I did want to note is that the thrift store is also coordinated by section. So shoe section, you know, there is blazers over here, and then keep going, you have a women's section basically, and it's also coordinated by size, so extra large, 2X, all of that good stuff. So don't just think that when you come in a thrift store it's going to be clothes everywhere. Contrary to, you know, that belief, that's not true. You gotta look for thrift stores. Let me see y'all, this is what I was talking about when I said the prices. $6.99 for a blazer, a tweed blazer, honey. Okay, I don't know how you feel about like blazers, oversized blazers and stuff.
Love them.
I like that. That's cute. I mean, probably it's too high, but that would have been so cute together during like the winter months, you know,
Right.
with a like nice little belt over it and everything. That would have been so cute. But it's hot in Dallas, so we're looking for spring stuff. But I like the skirt. Oh, this is cute. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, girl.
That's gonna be cute.
Is it like oversized?
Hold
Especially
it.
for spring.
Hold it up.
It's so cute. Definitely. Like I can really see like a nice little belt around it. Basically, you got. Oh, this is so cute for spring. Y'all gonna see me rock this. Okay. So what I will say is that it's definitely a search game. You have to really like look through everything to find the good stuff, but so far I've found like 3 good pieces that I'm probably gonna like buy and take with me, and y'all see it on the haul and everything. So you know, you have to have patience when you come to thrift, and just look for just really good prices, like $3.99. And if you look right here, look at this, 50% off, 50% off pink tag clothing sample. Right here you get 50% off at $3.99, which is a steal. So that's what I meant when I said, you know, thrift store prices. I'm not gonna pay $20 for a shirt in a Goodwill. So that, yeah, that's basically what I meant. But yeah, so far I'm having fun finding stuff. That's a cute shirt. Yeah. I like these. Do we see a pattern going on with here? So she found like kind of like a jean kind of shirt, but then look at her jacket. Fly, let's fly in effortless. Oh, okay, Africa on the back, the motherland, honey. Let's get it into it, and let's show them this shirt that we have on, honey. Embrace your slayage. Okay. And what's the name of your business? Let them know. Oh So Chic. Oh So Chic, honey, which is a hair company for all of our beautiful black queens out there. We found things from like Old Navy in here, Torrid, Ralph Lauren, a lot of just different things. So that's a great thing about the thrift store, is that you come and you just find like pieces that you probably won't find anywhere else, that's either vintage or isn't even sold in a store anymore. So that's why it's always worth coming, you know, to check out the thrift store and just see what they have. Find any jeans that I love or that I'm liking right now, because I did go up in jean size ever since I had my baby. I'm now in size 8. I went from a 6 to an 8, so I can't find any jeans that I'm loving right now in here. But there are a lot of jeans. Trista's looking for some right now. There are a lot of different, you know, things you can choose from for here though, for sure. So much stuff in here. Y'all see all that I have right now. I can't decide what all I want, but I found some really good pieces. So we're about to get up out of here and go pay for everything. We'll show you how much it all costs. But
Everything okay?
yes,
Okay.
yes, I'm done.
Okay, you done for the day. Okay. No, I get told it's $55.67.
$55.67, y'all.
It's not bad at all.
For thrifting.
Okay, would you like to round it up to even 56 by donating 36 cents?
That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Even was able
We
to
like
do
to
a little
give.
donation.
I would say that our first time thrifting in a long time was a complete success. The Goodwill had some good stuff. We got 2 big bags full of stuff. Well, I did basically, and I only paid $56, so it's pretty dirt cheap. And I feel like I got some good vintage, or even if not vintage, just stuff that is gonna always be in style. So I'm definitely gonna show y'all a haul of everything I have in a separate video, one that comes right after this. Let me know if you enjoyed this, if you would consider thrifting as well, if that's your thing, and you know, some tips or whatever for people. Leave it in the comments below, some tips for people who are just getting back into thrifting, you know, so that they can know what to do and, you know, what to look for when they go to the thrift store. Again, Goodwill will be your best friend if you want just like cheap thrifted prices. And leave a comment below, give a thumbs up, let me know if you love this video or not. Also follow me on the blog at Steeze365.com or Steeze365Daily.com, on Instagram at Steeze365Daily. And yeah, make sure you follow my page as well, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, mwah, much love and slay stylish.